Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. Here's your May market report for Wilsonville. And as always, I know you all don't live in Willie, so if that's the case, and you want to talk specifically about your market and how much value is in your particular home, feel free to give me a call and we'll go over those numbers together. But home prices actually dropped here this month. The median sold price for Wilsonville in April was $699,900. This is a 3% decrease from last month. Yes, you heard it right. It was a decrease, not an increase in value. Now I know this varies city to city and neighborhood to neighborhood, but depending on your area, we are seeing a slowing of offers and buyers coming in. These interest rates have really had an effect on certain markets, and we're seeing some slowing as compared to previous months. Now the inventory for Wilsonville in April did decrease since the previous month at 28 active listings. The limited inventory is great for sellers in that it drives up that demand. Now going into summer, we should see a continued increase in inventory, and the demand is still there, but these rates may affect how fast your home goes and at what price. So going into a sale without a strategic plan and marketing strategy can cost you thousands. So it's good to chat with someone about how to get the highest return on your investment before you decide to go and list. The median days on market for Wilsonville was 4. This was the same as last month. Home sales are still good here for now, and 4 days is extremely low in general for days on market. It'll be interesting to see over the coming months how this may change. So, those are the stats for Wilsonville for this month. If you're looking to sell in the next 12 months, give me a call and we can talk about getting you the highest return on your home when you do decide to list. I hope you all are doing great, and we'll talk to you next month.